of cost spiral in electricity की, I think it has just gone through the roof पिछले particularly 2-3 सालों में. Then I sold one of my assets and parked 2 million for the solar. I thought I would have done it earlier, but it's never too late. I signed the contract end August with DSG and वो 45 days या 90 days पता नहीं कितना वो कहते हैं कि हम इसमें लगाएंगे. So I think it was pretty soon done. To sum up the installation process, it was good. It was good, friendly team. It's better not to give numbers, but I think the difference has been so substantial that I was myself amazed. I'm into the 15th month of operation. कोई ऐसा major issue alhamdulillah touch wood अभी तक नहीं आया ever since the installation and commissioning process. I have actually persuaded a couple of other people also. They are also very seriously, either they have adopted DSG or they are considering. We decided for DSG primarily because of the word WOW. It has been a very good experience with DSG. Not a moment of regret ever since we decided to go for DSG.